does stock photography hurt you because it's obviously not real? And people are pretty savvy about that.
Is let alone a stock photo doesn't connect with a potential customer. If you are using a stock photo on your website, let's take the kid with the painted hands for the example.
We all
Okay.
know that one.
So if you're seeing that picture and you're like, oh man, that's so cute, I want to use this stock photo on my website. So you take the kid with the painted hand and you put it on your website. Well, somebody who just landed on your website saw the kid with the painted hand stock photo on a different website. They had a bad experience with that website, with the business, basically, right? So now they're associating the bad experience with your business. They never even met you. They never even talked to you, just through a picture.
For me, it doesn't build a trust factor for business with stock.